need to check out this little plug from Rolling Square. So this, inside this box, is a USB-C charger that goes up to 65 watts, which is enough to charge your MacBook, which is insane. So in the gym here, I just have this block here and it's got USB-C A's on it. So it's fine for my little speaker here and it's fine for this Rolling Square wireless adapter that's called the Edge Pro. That is super nice. But I am needing something to charge my MacBook and charge other USB-C to USB-C products like the camera that I'm filming with just now. But look how dinky that is. That is so tiny that you can travel with that. That's way smaller than your regular MacBook charger. You're also going to fast charge your phone with this, and it's really nice. I really like that. It is just dinky. It's by the size of a plug. Let's plug that in there. Look at that. That's so small and neat with one. It's got nice ribbed edges there, so it's easy to pull out. It's going to come out. That's all one piece. That's a UK plug. They do this in a European plug and an American plug, and that is up to 65 watts. That is lovely. Really pleased with this. Rolling Square just do some of the best sort of tech accessories to go with your stuff, to find your stuff, to charge your stuff. Even this little charger. You can get 20% off everything on the Rolling Square website with my discount code. I'll link it below. Definitely worth checking out. 20%, it's a massive discount.